Hello, everyone! Today we are going to learn how to crochet the snout of the strawberry cow. For that, we will need this red color yarn. Wrap the yarn around the fingers. Make a slip knot first. Okay, now let's create 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great! Now that we have completed the 6 chain stitches, let's move on to crocheting the first round. Insert the crochet hook into the second stitch from the hook, counting from the back. Inside the second stitch, we will start by making the first single crochet stitch. The first single crochet stitch is done, mark it here. Then, in the next 3 stitches, crochet 1 single crochet stitch in each. This is the first one. The second one. And the third one. Great! 3 single crochet stitches are done. Next, in the next stitch, crochet 3 single crochet stitches. This is the first one. The second one. And the third one. Alright, our first half round is complete. Now let's flip the piece and crochet the other half round. So, we need to skip the stitch we just crocheted in and move to the next stitch hole and continue crochet. Pay attention to the position where I insert the crochet hook. Just right here we start crocheting the first single crochet stitch. Next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. Next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. And then, find the last stitch hole. Just right here, this is our last stitch. We need to crochet 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch hole. Alright, finally, remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch. Round 1 is finished. Next, we start crocheting the second round. First, make a chain stitch. The second round consists of 2 same parts. Each part consists of 3 single crochet and 3 increase. let's make the first part. Make 3 single crochet stitches consecutively, and then make 3 increase consecutively. Alright, everyone, follow along with me. The first single crochet stitch. The second single crochet stitch. The third single crochet stitch. From the 4th stitch to the 6th stitch, we need to make increase in each stitch. Alright, this is the 4th stitch. We make increase. That means make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, an increase is completed. In the next stitch, we also make an increase. In the next stitch, we make an increase. Alright, so we have completed the first set. For the remaining half of the loop, it's the same as the first half. First, crochet 3 single crochet stitches. Then, crochet 3 increase. Remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch. Alright, now we have completed the second round. Next, let's crochet the third round. First, make a chain stitch. The third round is also divided into 2 major parts. Again, each half round is a major loop. In the first parts, first, we'll crochet 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Alright, then we need to continue with 3 loops. Each loop consists of a single crochet and an increase. Okay, I'll show you the first loop. Make a single crochet. And then increase. Okay, the first inner loop is complete. I'll do the second inner loop. Make a single crochet. And then increase. The third inner loop. Make a single crochet. And then increase. Alright, so we have completed 3 inner loops, which means we have completed the first major loop. Now please continue to finish the next half round on your own. See you later! Great! We have completed the third round. In the fourth round, crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch. This is the first one. The second one. The third one. Then, please continue crocheting the remaining single crochet stitches on your own. Make slip stitch at last, so we've completed this round as well. Let's leave a longer yarn tail and cut off. Alright, our little cow's snout is complete. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.